Okay, here we are in my gun closet. All my guns and a random snowman. I told by the title of the video, this is going to be shooting poppets out of my air cannon. I just want to say, it is dark outside right now. It's storming pretty bad, so I'm doing the intro part of it inside, so I don't have bad lighting and all that good stuff. But obviously I'll be using these TNT poppets. It's 100 in a bag, or 100 in a box, and there's 2 bags of 2. I will be shooting them out of my air cannon. I'll put a piece of paper towel behind them as a wad, jam it down the barrel. I'm going to do full PSI for every shot, which is around 120 to 160 pounds per square inch, which means very high pressure. I'll launch them at wood, and I'm going to do it in the dark so you can see the flashes and you'll still be able to hear it and everything. So as long as weather cooperates, it'll be a good video. If it does rain tonight, then, which is when I'm planning on doing this video when it's dark outside, like 9 or 10 o'clock. If it does rain tonight, I'll do clips in between the breaks of the rain. But you don't really need to know about that because you're just here to watch the video. And I'm the one that's editing. So, yeah, be shooting pops out of my air cannon, about 400. I'll be shooting 50 of them at a time, so I'll have 8 shots. So here we go. Okay, probably can't see anything right now, but just, you'll see a flash, and you'll hear this. I had to wait till it was darker because I couldn't see anything on camera originally, so here we go. Poppets.